channel of Rotary Club of Thane Lake City, RCTLC production.
We are here today with our very own podcast.
I, Rotractor Ayusha Surve,
And I, Rotractor Vaibhav Jain, introduce you all to RCTLC Shorts.
we promise to bring to you amazing insights on very many interesting topics.
From our buddy members and many more. Moving on, today we have someone from our very own club with us who looks a lot different now than he did before the lockdown.
Hi Ranbir. Today, I want you to tell all of our audience what exactly Vaibhav's talking about. What's that one thing that changed for you during this lockdown?
Hi guys, my name is Ranveer Virti and I am practicing Sikhism. So I had like long hair before the lockdown, and in the lockdown I decided to like chop them. So yeah, that's the biggest change, and people did not recognize me after that. Even my mom took like a couple of seconds to recognize me when I came back home. So yeah, like that's been the biggest change that's happened to me, and that is what Ayusha is actually talking about.
Lockdown has been a big game changer for everyone in our lives.
Of course it has. That being our only constant for the last few months, I think you all know what we're going to talk about today. But I don't want to talk about the negative aspect of this lockdown. So Ranbir, what do you think has been the best thing about this lockdown?
Uh, for me, it gave me a break from my engineering life, waking up at 8, catching a local at 9, reaching college by 10, just hanging out with my friends. Gave me a huge break. Suddenly you have your prime minister coming up on TV telling you, मित्रों एक हफ्ते का छुट्टी और ये बार तो riots भी नहीं हुआ है. Like pretty excited and restless for the first few weeks. For the first few days, I suppose, and I like nothing to do. By the end of week one, I knew my parents weren't allowing me to go anywhere. I tried, I threw all the tantrums I had, none of them worked. So by the end of first month, I realized that this is the best thing to do, sitting home patiently. And I was so bored that I used to use Internet Explorer instead of Google Chrome. I used to have a very patient life, but like I still believe the next time I go to college, I will shout at the uncle if he doesn't board the running train.
I see.
So, what's the best thing that's happened to you, Ayusha?
I think for me, as much as I've cursed staying at home all day and night, there's quite a few things that I learned. So I'll tell you, I never really had a good hand at painting or drawing or all these artistic things. But in the last few months, I think I gave it my best shot. And trust me, today when I say this, that I have the confidence that I can do better than stick figures now. And I think the artist in me got a little too ambitious with the amount of supplies that I have at home now, the amount of art stuff that I ordered because I wanted to be a painter. But yeah, it was a good break from me, from all the thoughts. And obviously, everything around was just corona, 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 and it got to my head. So it was a great getaway from all of that. You tell me, is there like a talent sort of thing that you acquired in the last few months?
To be very honest, something that I'm not very proud of. I tried my hand at writing poems at 3 a.m., stuff about love and like crazy shit. But I realized it was way lamer than all the TikTok trends that have happened in the lockdown. I posted one of my poems on Instagram. My siblings legit disowned me from the family. So since I wanted to stay a part of the family, I had to take it down, and then I decided to brush up my guitar skills. I've spent 3 years in my high school learning guitar, but I had to stop because I was too ambitious and too dedicated to get into IIT. My parents were too ambitious and dedicated to get me into IIT. So yeah, I had to stop practicing. So I just brushed up my guitar skills. Like, have you done something? Have you done something, Weber? What have you done in the lockdown?
So, after 2 rigorous years of IB, I can say that this lockdown was a pause that I needed in my life. I had the time to sit back, relax, and reflect and take some time for myself. And you know what, guys? In the process, I have genuinely realized the value of smaller things in life. I mean, a single slice of pizza made me happy after 5 months. Nonetheless, I have started appreciating the smaller bits of life.
That makes so much sense to me, Weber. So I'll tell you about an incident that happened with me in the lockdown. One of my closest family friends, he was tested positive for COVID, so we had to like deliver him food like 9:30 in the night because he did not like the food at the facility. So we were going there. On my way, the site was so deadly. It was like at 9:30, it felt like I was going on at 2 a.m. or something, some shit like that. So it was really crazy, and it literally gave me and my father chills, and also gave me a sense of feeling of blessing, and also a sense of being useless, and I'm not doing anything for the society. So after that, I like stopped fighting with my father for waking me up early and stuff like that. Like it's actually very we are blessed to stay home with our family in such a protected environment, and also it also gave me a sense of feeling to do something for the society if I can. So that is where I decided to join Rotaract Club of Thane Lake City. That's the best decision I've made in this lockdown, at least.
That's so true. I think even I've realized that in the end, family is all we got. And now you've got us too. And I'm so glad to have you as a part of our huge family.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ranveer, for joining us today. Coming to the end of our first video, I hope that you guys liked it. We are coming up with many such topics very soon.
Stay tuned for more and hope to see you soon. Have a very happy lockdown. And guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you.